How do you find Reels on your Android phone inside of the Instagram? Let me show you exactly where you can find it. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So of course you open up the Instagram, most definitely make sure that you are signed in with your account, right? And then in the left panel or at the bottom, depends on your phone. I'm using the Galaxy Fold, but in here you need to look for the Reels icon, which is this play button type of thing with the edge right there. So you can click on it and you can basically just start browsing the Reels, right? So that is the most common way. If you for some reason do not have that, you can always just go to the search explore page, and there are going to be a bunch of videos likely playing, which are going to be the vertical ones. And when you click on it, you will as well see the Reels. So that's how you can get inside and you can start scrolling and you are browsing the Reels now. But in either case, if you feel like you're not getting the same features, which you can see right here, or something isn't working properly, make sure you check out the Google Play Store, where you can look up the Instagram and see if there isn't any update available for the app. Because if there is, then most definitely make sure you install it so you are on the same page with me and with everybody else, and that you are running the latest version. This will of course make sure that you can see the Reels and everything works the way that it should. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.